Welcome to Krafty Lady. Step into the colorful world of Krafty Lady. Let's get crafty.
Krafty Lady, weaving tradition into modern living. Discover the soul of embroidery. Not just fashion, it's a journey. The Blue Blossom Hand Embroidered Tote Bag by Krafty Lady is a celebration of craftsmanship and elegance. Made from durable, high-quality fabric, this tote features a striking tricolor design in deep navy, crisp white, and sky blue. The Midnight Daisy Bouquet tote offers timeless elegance with a touch of countryside charm. Made from durable black canvas, it features a beautifully embroidered bouquet of white daisies and lavender sprigs. The Midnight Blossom tote blends classic elegance with functional design. Made from sturdy canvas, it features deep black accents along the base, straps, and trim for a bold, timeless contrast. The front pocket is delicately embroidered with a graceful white butterfly hovering over soft red blossoms, adding a gentle, nature-inspired charm. A splash of color to your everyday look with this beautifully handcrafted tote bag. Made from durable material in a soft half-white shade, this tote features intricate multicolor embroidery that brings artistry and elegance to your style. Dark-toned tote bag featuring vibrant geometric embroidery in shades of red, pink, and green. Inspired by traditional motifs, the central embroidered panel brings bold texture and rich culture to a modern, wearable design. Featuring beautifully embroidered daisy flowers growing from a crisp white pocket. Made with soft, durable fabric and designed for both style and function, this tote is the perfect companion for casual outings, study days, or creative errands. Cash on delivery available in Pakistan. So what are you waiting for? Shop now.